And we'll discover a quite useful thing, because in leçon B, if you remember carefully, I did introduce the numbers till 9, and then we'll continue, so from 10 to 20, okay? De 10 à 20. Okay, so let's start now. 10, okay, so remember, final X here is pronounced like S. 10, 10, okay? Then 11, 11, okay? So O plus N give you the sound on, 11, 11, okay? Final E doesn't exist phonetically, 11, okay? 12, 12, O, U, the two together will give you the sound OO, okay? And then Z, 12, 12, alright? Then now if you combine this E and E, you get the sound E, really open, 13, 13, final E, as usual, not pronounced, 13, 13, okay? Then here, 14, so remember Q and U here, well, basically you get to put this U vowel, because that's the rule in French, even if you don't pronounce it, okay? So you will get the sound K here, K, 14, 14, okay? Same thing here, U doesn't exist, so 15, 15, 15, alright? IN, nasal, so it's 1, 1, 15, 15, okay? Then it continues, of course. Now you get this 16, 16, same thing, final E doesn't exist, 16, E and E together, they give you the sound E, really open, 16, 16, okay? Then it becomes logical now, because if you look carefully, you get this 10, okay, 10, and then 7. So if you remember this, it's here, it's 10, and then 7, okay, so it's clear. But then for the pronunciation, 17, okay, so you don't insist on the S, 17, 17, 17, okay, then 18, so you will make this little link between the two, the liaison, 18, 18, 18, okay, then 19, 19, 19, okay, E-U-E, 9, 9, 9, 19. And the last one, so this G letter is here, but you don't pronounce it, okay, and then final T doesn't exist phonetically either, so basically you will only need to pronounce these 3 letters, so you get V, V, and then you get nasal, IN, 1, 20, 20, okay?